welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to look at Kult Sparkling Water Kefir, I guess, with the yuzu and mandarin taste. And it's a fermented lemonade. Because you guys, you know I love soda. So what does Kult say? What? Exactly my thoughts. And they basically explain this is a natural alternative to soda made from the fermentation of fresh organic fruit and natural botanicals. Well, that's a mouthful. This transformation produces a slightly sparkling brew containing a wide range of organic acids. So apparently it's very healthy, it's empowering to your soul, but it is a natural alternative to soda, and I like soda. So will I like Water Kefir? Maybe. Let's check out what's inside. Well, basically it has only 10 calories per 100 milliliters, and mostly all other things are pretty good, no fats, etc., or at least very low fat. And when we take a look at the ingredients, it says water kefir, and that said is filtered water with kefir culture, sugar by fermentation, lemon, yuzu, mandarin concentrate, and it's all biological. They have a female founder, they're 100% vegan, it's made in Belgium. Well, I guess this is almost a perfect product. Maybe. Do we know how it tastes? No. So let's find out how it looks and how it tastes. Okay, as you can see, it looks like soda. It actually does have some color. I know it's slightly yellowish, greenish, I guess. Looks a bit like lemon juice. It also looks like Cactus Spa. I don't know if you remember that one, but I love the drink. It also had some sparkle. So let's find out if this tastes like a soda, or if it tastes like crap, or if it tastes good but not like a soda. You know, let's find out. Okay, so as you can see, I tried it and I liked it. It doesn't taste like soda. It has more taste, I guess. So, all in all, it is an alternative to soda, but it doesn't taste the same. But it is pretty good. I wouldn't mind drinking this again. I said the Cactus Spa thing as a joke, but it actually, the taste kind of reminds me of this. And that's a good thing, because I liked it. This new brand Kult, they actually got me sold on Water Kefir. This is the yuzu and mandarin one. There are other tastes available. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure if I taste the yuzu and mandarin, but I guess I taste mostly the yuzu, and that's alright because I like yuzu. So all in all, it tastes great, it wasn't too expensive, it's apparently very healthy and natural, so this is a 5-star review, my friend. Let me cheer to that. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and of course, check you later.